How to remove ads from Spotify without premium. If you're looking to block ads on Spotify without a premium subscription on Android, there are a few unofficial methods you can try, but keep in mind this may violate Spotify's terms of service. One option is using third-party apps like Xmanager, a modified Spotify app that unlocks premium features such as ad-free listening. Another app, SpotMute, doesn't block ads but automatically mutes them, making your listening experience less disruptive. You can also explore using a VPN service with built-in ad blocking to reduce ad interruptions or stream Spotify through a mobile browser with ad blocking extensions enabled. While these tools may help minimize ads, they aren't officially supported and could come with risks like reduced app stability or account issues. For a fully secure and uninterrupted experience, Spotify Premium remains the most reliable choice. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.